So what's your expectation from this budget?
Uh, Basically, I feel housing will be a main thrust area by the new government. There will be good clarity on the rate. I'm hoping that a section like 80IB, which particularly focus on the affordable housing and creation of the affordable housing stock, will be once again, I think, come in the limelight. And I feel that finance minister will give a big boost for creation of this affordable housing stock below 60 square meter carpet area. That is, I'm quite hopeful. Then about deductions, if you talk, the 2 lakh what we got last year, I'm hoping that on a practical sense, it may be 3 lakh to 3.5 in this current year, though the industry demand is up to 5 lakh rupees. One more expectation I have, whether government considered interest subvention on loans up to 50 lakh, because that's a ticket size where most of the people are buying the house in the affordable segment. And if the government try to give the interest subvention, I think it will be a great thing to boost this property market, as well as a lot of transactions can happen, and ultimately it will help to achieve the GDP growth which the finance minister is emphasizing.
All right. Do you think there would be any radical reforms this year?
Uh, yes, I think they will be in a positive side. I don't expect any more negative reforms will come, but positive reforms, lot of things they will cover up. Definitely on funding to the realty sector, funding to the infra project, taking off the various public project, maybe the airports or the roads or the connectivity, metro rails and so on. I think lot of reforms and lot of support is expected to come up in these type of the infra project, which probably BJP's thirst agenda, and I hope that FM will honor it and give a lot of support to this segment particularly.
All right. Do you think it's too much of a fantasy 8 years from now and homes for all? How is it possible?
I think we have a great expectation. We have a big hope that 8 years time we will able to give, and it is doable. It's a very tough job, but it is doable. It is not that impossible thing. Only we need to bring lot of reforms on the regulatory, the permission delay, giving clearances on fast, and basically reduce the transaction cost, because our problem with many state government, they are increasing every day ready reckoner prices, stamp duty prices, the premiums they are increasing, and it is really becoming unaffordable, because ultimately whatever taxes are levied on a developer or the development, ultimately it has to be borne by the consumer. Unless until we make housing cheaper one, or tax incentivize, or can cut out some cost, it will not be affordable to each and everyone. So I think government need to focus on this, and they should stop increasing all the taxes. They should find various other method how the revenue can be increased, but at least stop increasing the existing project taxes, various taxes, whether service tax, whether VAT, whether premiums payable to the government treasury and so on. I think that is required to bring it down.